Hello everyone, this is Subash. Today I'm gonna share you one of the most important things to you all about for the laptop user. Like while using our laptop screen suddenly turn into black color. Our laptop screen suddenly turn black or like green color. What are the main reason to turn our laptop in black? So is our laptop dead or our laptop screen dead? How can we repair and what are the permanent solution for this one thing? For that one, the first step things like after turning to our black screen of our laptop, then press shift control, then after press window, then after press B. These four things we need to press continue for like 2 3 5 seconds, and after that one from your laptop comes out and blink for 2 3 times and your laptop screen will be coming to normal position. And after that one your laptop is still not come into normal position, then after press your power button your laptop for 10 seconds. Your laptop will be shut down and again restart, then after your laptop is cool into normal. And after this setting, these two setting you can use for your laptop screen like while black screen. But for these two settings are not a permanent solution for your laptop. And for that one what we need to do like after like we need to press on window bottom, then after search device manager option, press on device manager option, then after uh, open device manager option will be open here. I will make it big size, and then after here you need to search display adapter. You need to find display adapter and click there for two times. Then after AMD Radeon TM graphic, press on there. Then after press on disable device option. After pressing disable option, your driver will be disabled. It will not work on your laptop. Its causes some like function will be not work. As you can see, disabling this will cause stop functioning. So I will disable that one. So after disabling that one, our laptop screen will be uh, good and is coming to normal position. And this is the permanent solution of your turning black screen problem on our laptop. After this setting, 100% I guarantee to you, your laptop will never come into like a black screen problem. So this is the permanent solution of this black problem of your laptop screen. And after complete these all setting, there's one weakness of the setting like your problem of your black screen problem will be permanent solved. But the thing is that your laptop brightness level will not be decreased, will not be increased, because after this setting the brightness of your laptop will be come into in a position in a some level, and after that level it stop. It cannot be decreased, it cannot be increased, and the brightness level will be maintained there, but it cannot be increased or decreased. This is the weakness of this setting. But the black screen problem of our laptop will be completely 100% permanent solution, permanently solves of that problem. So this is the setting, and hope you really understandable from our video and effective for you understand for how to solve that one. So if any person, you can drop your message in our inbox of the message. And thank you for watching our video.